Jennifer,
Yes.
I know standing on stage can be a little nerve-wracking,
Yeah.
but don't worry, we are here to support you.
Thank you.
Yes, so can you tell us more about the key aspects of your project?
Our 5 key modules, which will be on first, self-discovery, will help women discover their strengths and weaknesses so that they can align their lives, their future goals with their true potential. And the second module will be about time management and self-discipline, because all of us here have goals, but few reach them. Why? Because God gave us 24 hours a day, all of us, but how we spend our time define us, right? So I believe in discipline, in time management, and the people who are disciplined. So I would like to share this mindset to other women to inspire them to through being disciplined. And the third module will be about financial education and digital tools. Why? Because we need to know more about how to make money, how to invest, and about digital tools. You know, we are in a modern society. Then we need to know more about that. And the fourth module of my project will be about effective communication, especially on public speaking. Why? Because I feel like I need to inspire other women to be the voice for many, to be diplomats for their country. Like, so we have to know how to share our thoughts through being fluent and being cultivated. And the last one will be about mental and physical wellness. We need to invest in our health, in our bodies. It's about that. Thank you.
Okay, thank you too. And in front of you, you have 3 baskets. We're going to start from that one. Yes, on your left. You're going to choose 1 piece of paper.
Okay. Let's see what it gives. Oh my God. And, okay.
You read the number and the question.
The number.
Yeah, the number of the question.
It's 5. It's number 5.
Okay.
Quel athlète donne au Burundi la 2e médaille olympique de son histoire en devenant vice-champion olympique de 800 mètres lors des Jeux olympiques de Rio de Janeiro de 2016?
Okay, I can go ahead.
I think it's Francine Sava.
Okay. Okay, we are going to move on to the next.
I
Yeah,
keep
you
it?
put it back. No.
Okay.